This one's going to be a Tactis. We recently looked at another model here. I believe this one is the aluminum version. So it comes in this box, just a knife, right? Nothing else, just very straightforward. Here is the Strike, ladies and gentlemen. And we'll take a look because this one is also a button operated liner lock. So for starters, right, we got the aluminum on the handles. We got the sort of carbon fiber looking inlays there. We got the button here for the liner lock. Nice green aluminum backspacer with the thumb studs. Looking good. We got 14C 28N steel on the blade. We'll check that out. And we got deep pocket carry wire clip. Not reversible for some reason, so that would be my one piece of feedback right there, just making that pocket clip reversible. But, well, bam, there is the blade. A very unique geometry, right, to say the least. It's going to have a satin finish here. But we're certainly looking at a flat grind, and then you've got a very pokey tip there for sure. This is a sheep's foot tanto, tanto sheep's foot, reverse forward tanto. What are we classifying this? Let me know in the comments. Definitely pretty neat. We got a little bit of a switch here for personality towards the front. And of course, we got the action here with the button operated liner lock. So, right, similar to what we said earlier about the Camel here, this one can be disengaged as a liner. This one is going to be a button only liner lock. So you can disengage it as a liner. You would just use the button itself. Something pretty neat about the button here is that you can see the coil spring from the outside here. It's got a whole coil spring going on there for the liner locking mechanism, right? We got nested liners here that are nice and mill here for weight reduction as well. And thumb deployment is going to be pretty solid. Reverse flicking is pretty good too. The great thing about these is they're going to be super affordable. The price on them is just almost a no-brainer for what you're getting. That front flipper, also pretty good. Very nice and well-tuned. Kind of unicorn style front flipper. So we're looking at least 4 different deployment methods. We got a captive pivot here on the show side. We can see the Tactis little logo there. And then we got big hardware on the pivot. On the body screws, it looks like the pocket clip is going to be a T6. Everything else is looking like a T8. Lanyard solution back there. Now, I had the chance to check out the other variant here in the channel recently. I was trying to find it here so I could showcase them both side by side, but for some reason it has despawned from my table, so it's probably going to spawn back in at some point. It's actually that carbon fiber layer on G10 handles, and that one had purple thumb studs and a purple backspacer, I want to say. So that's also an option. You could go the aluminum with inlays route, or you can go the whole carbon fiber layer on G10 handle route. Now, the ergos, pretty solid, full 4-finger grip. You can forward choke a tad bit if you wanted to as well. Get more control of the blade. It's going to be a very, again, piercing tip there, and these come very nice and sharp out of the box, without a doubt. So, I mean, you're looking at a budget knife here that is not going to break the bank in any way, shape, or form. It's got good action, good solid build. Absolutely one you should definitely check out. The Strike from Tactis Knives. Looking pretty good here. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Either this one or this one. Peace.